In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on a suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. If you don't have the strip with all of its functions at the top of Gboard, access Devices settings right away and scroll all the way down. Then select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, after accessing text correction, tap on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip. This way you can switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!